Today is the 8th of January 2019. Happy New Year. Just got back from my holidays. Winter vacations are finally over. College has restarted. I have a video to show you guys. It's pretty let's just say it's pretty varied, right? So giving you the crux of it, I went to Atlantis Aquaventure, just like I did last year. Made a video. I almost broke my foot. So firstly, let's head over to Saudi Arabia, where myself am probably making a video in front of this beautiful camera. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. I am running out of time, so I thought I would make this quick little intro telling you about basically what I did during the past week. I went to Saudi Arabia.
Look, people are coming from far.
You see how beautiful that country was? Saudi Arabia is amazing. Anyways, waiting for my flight right now. Going to Dubai. See you there. Basically, I hit my toe into the wall, and I you know when you just stub your toe, when you just stub your toe in the bed corner on your side table, I just thought it was something like that. But when I got out of the ride, I looked at it, was like swollen, like woof, and there was this bruise there, and I was like in so much pain. I couldn't walk properly, couldn't basically place my right feet on the floor. Went to the paramedics, got eyes done, got a muscle spray on my toe. They even put a gel on it. Waited for like 1.5 or 2 hours, right? I was just like sitting on the beach and just waiting. After that, we did some more rides. Okay, I did some more rides, and in one of the rides. So this was just like this wavy ride, right? So it was like there were like a lot of people on their tubes, right? And the wave came, and like for some reason all of it just vacuumed in and just in together, and the wave hit us all. So like it just went like, right? That's what happened, okay? And I fell. My sister fell, and okay, so I landed on top of my I stood up, right? I was able to handle myself, and I just realized there's someone's head between my legs. I was like, what? And I just quickly went in. I was like, I hope she's not dead. I just quickly went in, picked her head up. I was like, yo, are you okay? And you know what she tells me? She's like, oh my God, you saved me? I thought you wouldn't save me because you're selfish. And I was like, what? Is that a thank you? But anyways, it was a pretty fun experience. All right, so now in this part of the video, I've reached Dubai. I'm about to go to Atlantis Aquaventure. I'm about to show you how, not really how I hit my toe, but I'll show you my toe. I'll show you how I fell. And I'll show you one of the best rides. And believe me when I say this, one of the best rides I've ever taken, right? So, like, this is coming from persons in Wild Wadi, Atlantis, Oasis, Dream World, you name it. One of the best rides I've ever done, right? It's called the Aqua Condor. Yeah, it's called the Aqua Condor, and it's just like, broom, broom, broom. It's just like this. I was like, what is happening? Amazing. If you go there, make sure it's the first ride you take. All right, Aqua Condor, right up. Right, so that basically is the end of Aquaventure, my trip to Aquaventure, all the rides. Now I had some food. Right, so ate a burger. I think it was a cheeseburger with some fries, a Coke. It was actually really nice. It was expensive, but it was nice. It was a pretty, let's say, new experience, right? Broke my toe, fell with my... Amazing, okay? Okay, so with that, it is the end of the video. Leave a like, share, comment, notification, subscribe, all of that stuff, only if you want to. Do check out my Instagram. It's Nomad on a Helipad, right? Like my Facebook page. And yeah, just stay tuned for more videos, I guess. If I make them. Bye-bye.